on this computer. Okay. So I am doing chapter 6, problems 54 to 55 workdays. And the question on this page is, how can I determine a day that is 50 workdays after another day, and how I can include holidays? So we're going to start off with the 50 work dates from the start date. So what we're going to do is you're going to use the workday function, which is equals workday. And you're going to put the start date, which is C14, and the number of days, which is 50. And that's how you're going to get this one. And from here, this is it. We're going to exclude the holidays, and I'm going to show you how they got this number. So you're going to do the same workday formula. So it's equal workday. And you're going to put the start date, which is C14. And you're also going to put the 50 days, and then you're going to put the holidays, which are in F17 and F18. And from there, you got this date. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the workday intel function. And this function is to choose the definition of a workday. And you could choose like the following codes to specify the day off. And for this, we are going to do, so with Sundays and Mondays off, with 100 after 100 work days after March 14th, 2011. So, and these are good. I'm going to demonstrate how they got this number in particular as Sundays as weekend. So what you're going to do is do the function, and this is going to be workday. And you're going to put in C23, which is the start date. And then you are going to put in 100 days. And then the next step would be to put in 11, which is going to give you this particular number. But you are going to convert it after you can click Format Cells, press Date, and it will give you this date. And if you want to put Sunday, Monday as the weekend, you're going to do the same thing. And you are going to put in C23, 100. And instead of putting 11 in, you would put in Sunday, Monday as the weekend, which would be 2. And you're going to get this number, and you're also going to convert it. And that's how you get this. And so on page 55, the other question is, how can I determine the number of workdays between 2 dates? And the key to solving this problem is to use the next workdays function. And this is where holidays is an optional argument identifying a cell range that lists the dates you want to count as holidays. The network days function returns the number of working days between the start date and day, excluding weekends and any listed holidays. And this formula yields the number of working days. So how we're going to do this is we are going to do the next work days first, which are exactly 152. But in order to get this, so we're going to do the function, network days. And we are going to put in C14 and C15. And the end date, C15. which is 152. And to include the holidays, we're going to put equals network days. C14, C15, and you're going to include the holidays as well, which is F17, F18. And that's how you get the work days between excluding and no holidays. And last but not least, we're going to look at the network day intel function. And this customizes the definition of a weekend. And for example, in cell 31 of the date format worksheets in this file, the number of workdays is 373. And how they computed this was putting, using this function, network intel. And we are going to put in C23, which is the start date, C24, end date. And we are also going to put in 2, which is Sundays and Mondays. And that's how you get 373. And to get 448, you would do the same exact thing. So we're going to put in C23, C24. And 11. And that's how they get this. So this completes pages 54 and 55. I hope this video was very helpful.